Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your confirm identity in Facebook was failed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If you are trying to verify your ID or trying to confirm your ID from the Facebook and it got failed, you can try it by opening your Chrome browser. Just simply open the Chrome browser and search for Facebook Confirm Identity, and it will show this confirm your identity with Facebook option. Just simply click into that. Now into here you just simply have to attach a JPEG image file of any of your ID card. Just simply click into this choose file and select the file from your device, and after that just simply enter your login email address or mobile phone number, which means the phone number or email address associated with the Facebook ID that you want to get back. And after entering these two things, just simply click to send button and Facebook will review your credentials, and if the provided credentials are genuine, your account will be back. By following these very easy steps, you can easily confirm your identity of Facebook by using the browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.